When a father lacks strength, the child endures hardship. When a child lacks skill, the father bears the weight. Either you face challenges yourself, or your children will. Or perhaps your parents are still struggling because you haven't yet found success. Across 3 generations, there will always be one that needs to put in the effort. A father is his child's source of courage, while a child is his father's source of empathy. 30 years ago, people treated you based on the respect they had for your parents. 30 years later, people will treat your parents based on the respect they have for you. If your family is safe and secure, if your parents can stand tall, you've done them proud. But if there's still hardship, what is the meaning of growing up? Strive constantly, not only to improve yourself, but to bring pride to your parents and ensure they see you live a happy life.